Recent years have seen dental implants have emerged as the preferred option for patients who are looking to repair missing teeth. What exactly are the advantages of using dental implants over other alternatives such as bridges and dentures? In this clip, we'll look at the benefits of dental implants as well as their reasons for being a top alternative for many people. 1. A natural appearance and feeling. One of the most significant benefits of dental implants are that they appear and feel similar to natural teeth. In contrast to dentures, which may cause discomfort and are bulky, dental implants are created to be a seamless match with your teeth as they are. It means you'll be able to speak, smile, and eat confidently with no worries about your teeth shifting or being pulled out. 2. Healthier mouth. Dental implants can be an option for the long term to replace missing teeth, as they're made to meld with the jawbone to remain a part of your mouth. It is not just a way to stop bone loss and protect facial structure, but helps improve overall health of your mouth. In contrast to bridges, which need the adjacent teeth be cut down, they do not interfere with adjacent teeth, making the implants more reliable. 3. The durability and long-term longevity of dental implants are incredibly strong and will last for the rest of your life, provided they are properly taken care of. Dentures and bridges might have to be replaced each year. Implants for dental use are specifically designed to withstand stress and where that comes with daily usage. So, after you've received dental implants, you'll be able to take advantage of a whole set of teeth and not worry about making frequent repairs or replacements. 4. Self-esteem and confidence boost. The absence of teeth may impact confidence and self-esteem. No matter if you're missing a single tooth or more, this can impact how you communicate, smile, and engage with other people. Implants for dental can boost your confidence, giving an attractive, natural-looking smile you will be proud to show off. Dental implants mean you'll be able to eat and laugh and even talk with confidence without feeling embarrassed about your teeth. 5. Greater comfort and greater convenience. In contrast to dentures, which may be painful and require special maintenance, dental implants are easy to keep and take care of. Brush and floss dental implants just the way you brush your natural teeth, providing an ideal and easy choice. Furthermore, the dental implants don't require special adhesives or cleaners, making the implants more comfortable and convenient option for many patients. Dental implants come with a vast array of benefits compared to alternative options like bridges and dentures. From their natural style and feel to their strength and longevity, dental implants are an ideal choice among those who want to improve their smiles and overall oral health. If you're thinking about dental implants, you should be sure to talk to an experienced dentist. Consider your options and figure out whether implants could be your best option. When properly maintained and cared for, implant dentistry can leave the patient with a stunning and functional smile for many years to follow.